section 6 of chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. So far, we have seen standard form of linear equation in two variables. We also saw how to represent a pair of linear equation in two variables in standard form. And then, yes, we are supposed to learn four very different methods of solving a pair of linear equation in two variables. Yes, one method we have already seen, and that is graphical method. Alright? Today, and one more method we saw, and that is substitution method. Haven't we learned substitution method? So we'll see the third method, and that is elimination method. Alright? Well, graphical method, the word itself suggests you have to draw the graphs. Then we saw substitution method. Once again, the name itself indicates, it gives you the hint कि कहीं पे कुछ substitution करना है. And we did that. And now it is so definitely it is also named on basis of word used for it. Eliminate. Eliminate means delete. And delete is a very popular word if you are using cell phone. Right? Okay? So delete means to eliminate, means to get rid of, to remove that. So, how many variables we have in the equations? Two. If we eliminate one, if we remove one, we will be left with one. And that is very easy to solve. And we have been solving a linear equation in one variable since 7th standard, I think. 7th standard. Isn't it? 7th में था या 8th में तो जरूर था. Fine. So, yes, those same pairs of equation that we have, we are going to see that. Okay? The first pair was very simple. What was that? X. Oh, you remember. Very good. X plus y is equal to 5. And x minus y is equal to 1. Let me put the question. Solve by the method of elimination. Solve by the method of elimination. Alright? Children, let's first learn all the four methods. After this, we have got one more, and that is cross multiplication method. Alright? After learning that, I would state कि जब question में दिया हो instruction solve by a particular method, then you have to solve that pair of equation by the mentioned method only. यहाँ elimination method से solve करो लिखा है very clearly, और आप substitution method से solve कर दिया. Though your answer is correct, your solution is correct, you will get no marks for it. Be careful. When you are told in the question, in the instruction, solve by cross multiplication method, then you have to solve by cross multiplication method only. But in the question, nothing is mentioned. Only said, solve the following pair of equations. Linear equation in two variables. Then you can make your own choice. चार method मेरे पास है. The most convenient method is the one which we are going to learn today. Alright? चार में से ज्यादातर pairs of equation elimination method से जल्दी से solve होता है. You can solve it very conveniently. It is one of the easiest methods. Yes, of course, you have to go through some complex procedures. We'll learn today. चलिए. Now, first pair of equation. बोलिए. Now let me put it in this way. Equal to 0. Equal to 1 था. I carried that term on left hand side, made it minus 1. बोलिए चलन, ये दोनों इक्वेशन में फर्क क्या है?
The second equation is in standard form.
Very good. The second equation is in standard form. तो मतलब ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. There's no term used in your textbook. Mathematician hasn't given any textbook. But for our convenience, for our understanding, we are going to call this type of linear equation in two variables in desirable form. इसको हम क्या बोलने वाले हैं?
Desirable form.
Desirable form. Desirable form. Now you came to know what is desirable form, where the constant is on right hand side and only two terms with those two variables are on left hand side. We are going to call this type of form of equation as desirable, as he said, that this is standard form and this is not a standard form. Alright, it's not a standard form and we are going to call it as desirable. Why? Kyunki whenever you are going to solve by elimination method, if you have these equations in desirable form, again our work becomes more convenient. It becomes a little bit easier. So that's what I'm going to do here. First, I'm going to observe the pair of equations given and make sure that both the equations are in. And the next method that we are going to see, in that it should be compulsory standard form. Okay. So first equation, it's already in desirable form. So I call it result number 1. Yeah, equation number 1. Second one isn't in desirable form. So I'll just say it's given, or you can say by data. And now I'm going to transform it into from standard form into desirable form. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 1. And now I can call it, that is equation number 2. Now, we have got two choices. We can eliminate the first variable x or the next variable y. दोनों साथ में eliminate नहीं होगा. दोनों साथ में eliminate, कोई भी एक ही eliminate होगा. Alright? तो किसको eliminate करें? और कब elimination possible है? That is a big question. So for that, you observe the coefficients of the variable. Coefficients of variable. Alright? कौन से दो वेरिएबल है? X और Y. Alright. What is the coefficient of X in the first equation? 1. And second equation? 1. So first में 1, second में भी 1. ठीक. What is the coefficient of Y in the second? First equation and second equation? -1. So 1 and -1. Now after getting that pair of coefficients of each variable, you have to identify them as equal, opposite, या different. Now tell me 1, 1.
Equal.
Correct? They are equal. Tell me 1 and -1. Opposite. और जो equal और opposite नहीं होगा, they are different. Of course, sorry, ये भी तो different ही है, but different के साथ वो क्या है? Opposite. They are different and opposite, and the rest different but not opposite. Okay? Are you getting me? Are you getting me? If the coefficients are equal, then that is good news. Then that is good news. X can be easily eliminated. You can eliminate X. If it is opposite, that too is good news. That too is good news. ये तो और बड़ी आसानी से eliminate होगा. Opposite और बड़ी आसानी से eliminate होगा. When we see it, when we learn it, you will experience, you will realize. Okay? लेकिन जब different but not opposite होगा, ये different और opposite है, but different and not opposite होगा, तब हमारी process थोड़ी लंबी हो जाएगी. Then our process becomes little bit lengthy. Okay? तो यहां हम अपने कोएफिशिएंट्स को देखते हैं. X के कोएफिशिएंट कैसे है? इक्वल है कि नहीं? y के कोएफिशिएंट कैसे है? ऑपोजिट. माय गॉड, तो मेरे पास तो x को भी एलिमिनेट करने का चांस है और y को एलिमिनेट करने का भी चांस है. तो किसको एलिमिनेट करूंगा? तो पहला प्रेफरेंस मुझे ऑपोजिट को देना होगा. सो किस वेरिएबल के कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑपोजिट है? y. किस कोएफिशिएंट के वेरिएबल ऑपोजिट है? तो हम y को एलिमिनेट करेंगे. कैसे? By using Euclid's property. I'm writing one statement here. By 1 and 2, it follows that. Yes, first equation, second equation. First equation में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है? x plus y. सेकेंड इक्वेशन में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है? x minus y. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का राइट हैंड साइड क्या है? And what is right hand side? बस सम ऑफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ राइट हैंड साइड. अब प्लस कर रहे हैं, मतलब ये x प्लस वाई और दूसरा x माइनस वाई. टॉप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड प्लस बॉटम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ये प्लस है. प्लस करेंगे तो ओपन करेंगे तो कोई साइन चेंज नहीं होती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वोंट राइट एनीथिंग हियर. नो चेंज इन साइन. माइनस करेंगे तब करेंगे. बोलो. प्लस वाई गॉन फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और x प्लस एक्स. देयरफॉर x प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 1. अरे ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल इक्वेशन मिल गया in just one variable because y is got eliminated. So this is the method of elimination. Therefore x is equal to 6 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 3. Hey, you got the value of one variable and second variable की value ढूंढने के लिए putting in any one of the equation. So putting x is equal to 3 in equation 2, okay, 2 gives 1 में डालोगे तो भी वही मिलेगा. x उसकी वैल्यू 3 है. 1 में बेहतर था y and that is equal to 1. You are supposed to find the value of y which is negative term. So take it on other side. Therefore 3 minus 1 is equal to y. Therefore i.e. y is equal to 2. So the solution is 3 2. The solution is 3 2. Milana said, see, very quickly you can solve by elimination method, but you should realize. अच्छा, किसी ने 2 बोला इसलिए मैंने 2 लिख दिया, but 1 होता तो 1 में x 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. Same answer. So ये choice आपकी है, दोनों में आंसर मिलेगा, no doubt. Is that clear? Yes. Understood? Yes, sure? Yes, okay. I'll send the screenshot of this. बराबर ना? First question का आप नोटबुक में कॉपी कर लें. Okay? Moving on to the next one. Second. Two x plus y is equal to 0. That is first equation. Is it in desirable form? Yes. So I'll call it 1. And the second equation is x plus y is equal to 1. That is also in desirable form. Now we have to decide which variable should we eliminate, whether it is x or y. Look at the coefficient of x, 2 and 2 and 1. Look at the coefficient of y, 1 and 1. ये रहे इक्वल, ये रहे इक्वल, ये तो डिफरेंट है और ऑपोजिट भी नहीं है. सो वी शुड डिसाइड टू eliminate y. That would be easier. So we have decided we are going to eliminate y. और वो तो इक्वल है इसलिए डिसाइड कर लिया, या ऑपोजिट है तो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. चलिए, नाउ बी केयरफुल. दैट स्टेटमेंट कम्स by 1 and it follows that equal इक्वल टू दोनों इक्वेशन। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है 2x प्लस y, क्या है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड x प्लस y, ऊपर 0 और 1। नाउ दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग, कैन यू सी आई लेफ्ट सम गैप हियर। जब भी इक्वल कोएफिशिएंट हो तो आपको गैप छोड़ना होगा, क्यों? क्योंकि अपर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड माइनस लोअर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ऊपर वाला लेफ्ट हैंड साइड माइनस नीचे, ऊपर वाला मतलब 2x प्लस y ब्रैकेट में डाल दिया, माइनस नीचे वाला लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मतलब x प्लस y। अब ब्रैकेट ओपन करो तो इसका तो कोई फर्क नहीं, बट दिस साइन विल चेंज, माइनस x माइनस y। अभी ऐसा नहीं करना है, हमने गैप इसलिए छोड़ा, ये प्लस x हो जाएगा, ये प्लस y हो जाएगा, also plus 1 becomes. Now don't look at the signs that you had earlier. These new signs are carried by those terms. देखो प्लस y माइनस y प्लस 2x माइनस 2x प्लस 1x 0 माइनस 1। अरे बाप रे, ये तो सीधा मिल गया, i.e. x is equal to minus 1. Alright, now putting x equal to minus 1 in equation 2 बेहतर रहेगा यहाँ, in equation 2 gives, okay, write that. Putting x equal to minus 1 in equation 2 gives, what it gives? Here x, that is minus 1 plus y, and that is equal to 1. Take minus 1 on the other side, therefore y is equal to 1 plus 1, and therefore y is equal to 2, i.e. solution x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. That is the solution. You can see the substitution method, or even in the graphical method. Graphical method में ये नहीं, ये नया pair of equation आएगी, okay? So substitution method में भी नहीं मिलेगा। Got it? I have changed this. Yes, beta.
Can you do it for the first result?
Say loudly.
Can you do it for the first result?
First.
Result.
No problem. Same ही आएगा. 2 into x, that is minus y, plus y equal to 0. So therefore minus 2 plus y equal to 0. So y is equal to 2. वही तो आया. Y is equal to 2. Minus 2 on other side becomes plus. With experience you will come to know के कौन सा convenient है. ऐसे तो कोई भी इक्वेशन ले लो, आपको सेम ही रिजल्ट मिलने वाला है. You will get the same result. You understand? लेकिन ये दोनों में ये सिंपल सा इक्वेशन लग रहा है, तो थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा, एरर का चांसेस कम बनेगा. ओके, सो मूविंग ऑन टू द थर्ड पेयर. यस, स्क्रीनशॉट के लिए साइड ले जा रहा हूं. नाउ द थर्ड इक्वेशन इज 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y is equal to 2, and 4x plus y, 4x plus y is equal to 10. दोनों स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ही है ना? बहुत अच्छी तरह से सर हिलाया था. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म नहीं है, डिजायरेबल फॉर्म, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट फॉर एलिमिनेशन. So this is 1 and this is 2. Well, now it's time to decide whether we will go for the elimination of x or the other variable y. Right? So for that, we'll have to observe their coefficients. What are the coefficients of x? 4 and 4. बस दूसरे को मैं क्यों check करूं? I got equal. So that's enough for me. I have decided now. I'm going to eliminate x. I'm going to eliminate एलिमिनेशन डिसाइड हो गया, फिर हम लिख सकते हैं बाय 1 and 2. इट फॉलोज दैट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 4x minus 3y, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 4x plus y, ये 2 और ये 10 इक्वल है, मतलब सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने यहां थोड़ा सा गैप छोड़ दिया. राइट? ऑपोजिट हो तो ऐड करना पड़ेगा. दैट टाइम नो चेंज इन साइन, बट व्हेन यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग साइंस विल चेंज. प्लस 4x becomes प्लस y becomes प्लस 10 becomes. So this is no more 4x, it is minus 4x. This is no more plus y, it is minus y. And this is no more 10, it's minus 10. Yes, plus 4x minus 4x is gone. Therefore, this is by Euclid's property. Sum of left hand side is equal to sum of right hand side. Minus or ये भी minus, same sign. So total 4y with बड़ा number negative, so minus. That is equal to 2 minus 10. Multiplying minus 1 on both sides. So plus 4y is equal to plus 8. Therefore y is equal to 8 by 4. And therefore y is equal to 2. So now putting y is equal to 2 in any one of the equation. कौन सा? सेकंड में डालोगे? ठीक है. Putting y is equal to 2 in equation 2 gives. So pick up equation 2. 4x. So 4x plus y that is 2 is equal to 10. Therefore 4x is equal to 10 minus 2. Therefore 4x is equal to 8 is the simplification. Therefore x is 8 by 4. 1s are and 2s are. Therefore x is equal to 2. i.e. the solution is x equal to 2 and y is also equal to 2. That's the solution. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the third pair of equation solved by elimination method. Now fourth one, as we proceed further, the toughness will increase, but still I am telling you, it won't be that tough. That the toughness that you will face either in cross multiplication method, substitution method or graphical method. वहां जो toughness है उतनी toughness यहाँ आने वाली. Okay, now this is fourth pair. 2x plus y is equal to 0. Alright, that is already the desirable form. And x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. That is the second equation in the pair. Alright, now second equation is not, it's a standard form, not desirable form. So first we'll have to transform into desirable form. Therefore, बोलिए x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now it's converted into desirable form. Coefficient of x, they are 2 and 1. So 2 and 1. Coefficient of y, that is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Different, and this is also different. And they are not opposite as well. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 5 minus 5 ऐसे कुछ नहीं. Plus 2 minus 2 they are different, but then they are opposite. ऐसी स्थिति नहीं. So we cannot go for elimination unless the coefficients are equal or opposite. तो यहाँ equal भी नहीं है, opposite भी नहीं है. They are different. So it will be our duty to make equal. तो हमें उसको equal करना. अब equal करने के लिए short trick ये है. Process. पहले इसका LCM निकालो. What is LCM? फिर y के coefficients का LCM निकालो. Okay, you won't get on the screen. LCM निकालो. That is दोनों LCM निकाल दिया. कौन सा LCM छोटा है? दोनों इक्वल है, तो किसी को भी एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. सो ऑपोजिट साइन वाला तो नहीं है, साइन ऑपोजिट नहीं है, प्लस माइनस वाला नहीं है, तो किसी को भी ले लो. जब किसी को भी लेना है तो दूसरे वाले को ले लो. सो वी हैव डिसाइडेड टू एलिमिनेट, लेकिन कोएफिशिएंट्स इक्वल बनाना होगा. और जो इक्वल कोएफिशिएंट आने वाला है वो जो भी एलसीएम है वो. तो लुक एट द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. What is the, okay, you have decided to eliminate y, na? What is the coefficient? 1. लेकिन बनाना क्या चाहते हो? 2. So what should you multiply with 1 so that you get 2? 2. So ये पूरा इक्वेशन 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. चलिए नेक्स्ट. y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 2. What is the coefficient of y? 2. And what you want to make equal? 2. तो 2 है. So you need to multiply 1. 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेम रहेगा. Now comes the big statement. Multiplying equation 1 by and equation 2 by gives. Please pay attention. बोलिए. All three terms of the first equation are to be multiplied by 2. 2 into 2x plus 2 into y 2 into 0 या 0 into 2 ठीक. बोलो. ये तो 1 से मतलब पूरा सेम रहेगा. x plus 2y is equal to. आप देख सकते हैं कोएफिशिएंट सेम है. एलिमिनेशन का टाइम हो गया और सेम है, इक्वल है, तो यू विल हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट. दैट मींस नीचे के इक्वेशन के सारे टर्म्स के साइंस चेंज करने होंगे. प्लस x becomes plus 2y becomes and plus 3 becomes, and consider those signs which you have written down. Plus 2y minus 2y, y is gone, eliminated. Therefore, different sign subtract 3x और बड़ा प्लस is equal to different sign subtract 0 का कोई मतलब नहीं है minus. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 upon. Therefore x is equal to. So you got the value of x. Now putting x equal to minus 3 in any one of the equation, first या second, first में डाल दे. Putting x is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. Sorry, it's minus 1. In equation 1 gives equation 1 2x. So 2 into x, the value of x is minus 1 plus y. So that is plus y equal to 0. This is minus 2 plus y equal to 0. Y positive है और alone है. Take minus 2 on the other side. So y is equal to i.e. x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. That's the solution of this parameter. So here the coefficients of the variables were neither equal nor opposite. So we had to go through this procedure. The big line, big statement. Then we got equal हुआ तो subtract करेंगे मतलब साइन चेंज करेंगे और opposite होगा तो हम सीधा ऐड करेंगे without changing the sign. Here what property are we using? Euclid's property. What is that? Sum of left hand side is equal to sum of or difference of left hand side is equal to difference of right hand side. So we move on to the next pair of equation. All right. और कठिन करेंगे उसको. Let's make it little more tougher. Okay. In fact, it will be easier than this. Now this is fifth pair, right? 3a plus 5b is equal to 19. Minus 19 equal to 0. So this is given standard form. So we'll make desirable form. So 3a plus 5b is equal to 19 and then we'll call it 1. The other equation is 2a minus b minus 4 equal to 0. That is also standard form. So I'll write given and make it desirable form. So 2a minus b is equal to 4. ये पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन में आप क्या चेंज देखते हो? अब तक जो किए 4 पेयर्स ऑफ इक्वेशंस को कंपेयर करेंगे तो अरे वो उधर वेरिएबल x और y था, ये बदल गया, a और b वेरिएबल है. Okay, the variables are a and b. So by change of variables you should not get distracted or confused. आपको तो you have to stick to the basics. और बेसिक क्या है भाई? हम दो a और b वेरिएबल में से एक को एलिमिनेट करेंगे और एलिमिनेट करने के लिए उसके कोएफिशिएंट्स को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. व्हाट आर द कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ a? 3 and 2. यहाँ वेरिएबल मुझे बदलना पड़ेगा a और b. 3 और second coefficient of b 5 and here so different and not opposite, different and not opposite. So once again we are into a situation where we'll have to make coefficients equal या opposite. Okay. वो करने के लिए, इक्वल करने के लिए ये दोनों का एलसीएम जरूरी है, which is ये दोनों का एलसीएम जरूरी है, which is 5. For a moment you can forget the minus sign. All right. कौन सा छोटा है? 5. तो हम डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि विल एलिमिनेट b. सर 5 और ये 6 क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Yes, so if you want you can decide to eliminate a, no problem. लेकिन एक फायदा है, ये सेम साइन है ना, तो यहां भी इक्वल आएगा, तो मतलब आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा। सो नीचे वाला पूरा इक्वेशन की साइन चेंज करनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन ये ऑलरेडी माइनस प्लस है, तो ये बेहतर रहेगा। सो वी डिसाइड टू एलिमिनेट b. Now what are the coefficients that we want for b in both the equations? 5. तो देखते हैं, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, क्या है कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ b? 5. और चाहिए क्या? 5. सो मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई 1. What is the coefficient of b? 1. Say 1, don't say about the sign. And what we want? 5. So if you want to convert 1 into 5, what you will multiply with 1? 5. So here you are. So that big statement comes, multiplying equations. I'm writing little bit differently. Equations 1 and 2, first one and second one, respectively by first one by 1 and 5. We get, or you can say gives, जे रखोते ये पूरा इक्वेशन 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर, मतलब इक्वेशन सेम रखना है, 3a प्लस 5b इज इक्वल टू 9. ये पूरा इक्वेशन जिसमें 3 टर्म्स है, हर एक टर्म को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. 5 into 2 10a, 5 into 1 5b विद माइनस साइन, અને 5 पूजा. अब देखो अपोजिट हुआ ना, तो मतलब अब आपको साइन चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. They already get eliminated, right? Therefore, same sign total 13, 13 और plus. Same sign total 39, so that gives me 13a. Therefore, a is equal to 39 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13 threes are. So you got a is equal to 3. Now putting a is equal to 3 in कौन सा इक्वेशन? First या second? Second looks little bit simpler. So putting a is equal to 3 in equation 2 gives 2a. So 2 into 3 minus b is equal to 4. Unfortunately जिसको ढूंढना है वो नेगेटिव है, so take it on other side. So प्लस भी हो गया, 4 वो बाजू, वो माइनस, और 2 3 6 तो है. बोलिए 2 is equal to b, i.e. b is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2 is the solution of this pair of linear equation into variables. Got it, children? Did you understand it? Nicely? How the elimination is done? Good. The last pair of equation that we are going to see in this session. All right? Seven m minus 3n. This is fifth or sixth? 7m minus 3n minus 4 equal to 0. That is the first equation of the pair. And this is not 4 but 14. Alright? Check. It's the standard form. So I won't call it as equation 1. I'll say that is given. And from given we can transform standard form into desired form. So 7m minus 3n is equal to 14. And now I call it equation 1. The next one, 2m plus 5n is equal to 4. उसको मैंने desirable form ही दे दिया. So that is equation number 2. Once again, there is change in the variables. They are not a or b or x or y. They are m and n. Yes, you. What are the coefficients of m in the first? What is the coefficient of m in the first equation? 7. And second equation? 7. Second equation, coefficient of m? 2. Coefficient of m in the first equation? Minus 3. Be careful. And that of in the second equation? Plus 5. So you can see 2 and 7, they are different and not opposite. 3 and 5, they are also different and not opposite. चलिए, तो पहले तो इक्वल करना पड़ेगा, ओके। तो उसके लिए इसका एलसीएम, व्हाट इज एलसीएम? 14, और इसका एलसीएम 15। ऑलराइट, सिंपल काम करने के लिए छोटा एलसीएम वाला चूज करेंगे 14। तो हम किसको एलिमिनेट करेंगे? लेकिन हम थोड़ा और नजर डालें तो ये नेगेटिव है और ये वो बेहतर रहेगा। और 14 से बहुत नजदीक है 15, कुछ इतना बड़ा नहीं है। सो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ एलिमिनेटिंग। आप ये करोगे तो भी कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं, लेकिन वो माइनस प्लस साइन चेंज करनी पड़ेगी। सो व्हाट आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू एलिमिनेट n को एलिमिनेट करना चाहता हूं मैं। कोएफिशिएंट 3 और 5 है, लेकिन मुझे वहां बनाना है इक्वल, एंड दैट टू 15। चलिए, कौन सा है? साइन मत बोलो, क्या बनाना है? सो यू नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई 5। करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ n and what you want to make it? So what should you multiply with 5? 3. Then only you get 15. And then big statement comes. Multiplying equations 1 and 2 respectively by 5 and 3 gives. Check. Be careful now. बोलो, 5 7s are माइनस रहेगा, 5 3s are and 14 5s are 7, 3 2s are 3 5s are और प्लस और 4 3s are, there you are, ऑपोजिट हो गए, सीधा कैंसिल करोगे। therefore सेम साइन टोटल 41m, सेम साइन टोटल 82। my goodness, this 82 is double of 41. Therefore, m is equal to 82 upon 41. 1s are 2s. Therefore, m is equal to 2. Putting m is equal to 2 in equation, मैंने नहीं देखा, ऐसे ही लिख रहा हूं। In equation 1 gives 7 और m है 2, तो 2 लिखा, minus 3n is equal to 14। नेगेटिव है, वो बाजू ले जाओ, सो 3n, 7 2s are 14, ये 14 ये बाजू आया, minus 14। therefore 0 is equal to 3n, 0 upon 3 is n, i.e. n is equal to 0. Thus m equal to 2 and n is equal to 0 is the solution of this pair of. I hope you understood the elimination very well. Now that's all in this session. We'll continue in the next session and we'll learn the fourth and final method to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables, and that is the cross multiplication method. But this method was developed by a mathematician called Cramer. So it's also known as Cramer's method. Alright? So see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay safe.